Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, and you're probably here because you're searching for employee engagement initiatives that work, but you're not sure how to get started. Well, my friend, you're in the right place. Since 2009, I've helped hundreds of organizations develop strategies to keep their top talent from becoming someone else's. Stick around till the end of this video to see how you can get 100 more tips that you can use immediately. Today's tip: allow for open and honest feedback. Allowing honest communication does not give people the license to be rude, crude, or mean-spirited. So how do you do this? First, focus on the future. Ask your employees what you can do better going forward instead of focusing on past misdeeds. Be specific. Don't just ask, "What do you think?" Ask about particular aspects of the project that you're discussing. And let people occasionally vent. Sometimes people just need to let off steam, and they don't need you to fix anything. A thank you for sharing response goes a long way in reducing frustration. If you like these kind of tips, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Also, you can get your own copy of 101 Awesome Ways to Elevate Employee Engagement by clicking on the link in the description. See you next time.